Good morning, students. How are you? Here we will, this is our part third. We will discuss here question answers of making of a family. In short, I am revising you. Till now we have studied that Sandeep have come to know about everything that a family change in size. Okay, we have discussed that bird lay eggs. Bird lay eggs in the nest, and dog, cow, cats, etc. give birth to babies. And we have studied foster parents also. I hope you all are understood these chapters. And I have given you a work. So I hope you all have done that homework. So here we will start our question answer. So our first question is, why do family change in size? Okay, I'm repeating this question. Why do family change in size? Answer is when a baby is born or when someone get married and joins the family, or when someone moves out of the house after marriage. That is called the family change in size. Okay, I'm repeating this answer again. When a baby is born. Okay, when a baby is born, new baby is come in our house. I'm explaining this answer also again. Or when someone get married, or somebody get married, yes, or join the family, or somebody joins our family, or when someone moves out of the house after marriage. That is called the family change in size. Is it clear to everybody? So our next question is, why does a bird sit on her eggs? I'm repeating this question again. Why does a bird sit on her eggs? The baby birds sit on the egg to keep them warm till the babies grow in them and the eggs are ready to hatch. Okay. I'm explaining this answer again. The mother sit on the egg. Why she is sitting on her egg? To keep them warm. Okay, till the baby grow in them. Okay, and the egg are ready to hatch. Okay, understood? So our next question is question third. Why is a baby called a part of his mother? Answer is, a baby is called a part of his mother as it developed from mother cells before birth till 9th month. Mother take care of a baby in her womb, and after birth till 2 years mother feed her baby by her own milk. I am repeating this answer again. A baby is called a part of his mother as it developed from mother cell. Okay, before birth till 9 month mother take care of a baby in her womb, and after birth till 2 years mother feed her baby by her own milk. Okay, so our next question is fourth. Who are mammals? Answer is, animals like dog, cat, cow, etc. or many other animals and human beings which give birth to babies are called mammals. Okay. I'm explaining this answer also again, that we have discussed when we are studied chapter now, that we have discussed incubation. So what is the incubation? Incubation is this only, that animal give birth like dog, cat, etc. We human beings, okay, we all are the mammals who give birth to babies. Okay, I hope you all are understood. So our next question is question fifth. Why is a child sent to orphanage? I am repeating this question. Why is a child sent to orphanage? Answer is, some children whose birth parent have either died or deserted them. Such children are given shelter in orphanage. Okay, orphanage I have explain in Hindi that word, that orphanage means anath ashram. Okay, I'm repeating this answer again. Some children whose birth parents have either died or deserted them, such children are given shelter in orphanage. Okay, after completing the fifth answer is completed. The sixth one, who are foster parents? Question, I'm repeating this question again. Who are foster parents? Answer is people who adopt child and take them into their families. These parents are called foster parents. I'm repeating this question answer. People who adopt child and take them into their families, these parents are called foster parents. Okay. After completing this question answer, we will start our next question, that is fill in the blanks. Okay. Now first one, a child is a dash of his mother. Okay. So what will be the answer? Part. What is the answer? I am repeat this answer question again. A child is a part of his mother. Yes or no? You all are the part of your mother na? So answer is part. Okay. Now second one. Another name for chupan chupai is hide and seek. Okay. Answer is hide and seek. Now question third. When the eggs dash chick come out. So answer is hatch. 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 Okay. Now fourth one. Dash is the process in which the bird keeps the egg warm. Answer is incubation. What is answer is incubation. 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 Okay. Now last one. Fifth one. Some people adopt children from orphanage and become their dash parents. The answer is foster. What is the answer? Foster. FOSTER. Foster parents. Okay. After completing this, our next question is, here are different stages in the life of a human being. Can you number each stages as it comes in after another? So this is your homework. You have to do it yourself. Okay. So after completing this question answer and objective of this chapter, making of a family, so I am giving you a homework that you have to learn question answer and fill in the blanks of this chapter. And in next video we will start our next chapter, that is chapter second. If you are having any doubt or you are not understood any paragraph, so you will share your video or you will discuss me. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.